What's going on, YouTube? Ever wanted a cheap but effective toolbox for your truck? That's what I put together here. All in all, probably about $60 invested, everything you can get from Walmart. For myself, I wanted to be able to take stuff with me, but not something hard mounted in my vehicle. Right? I wanted to be able to take it out if I needed the bed space in the back of my bed, but keep all my tools organized on a budget. You know, days time, everything's expensive, and I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on building, designing something just to hold tools in the back of my truck. I have the big toolboxes at my house and whatnot, but you know, driving state to state, you know, going places and stuff like that, there are certain things in my vehicle that I want to keep in my vehicle. So that's why I put together this heart box from Walmart. It stays underneath my bed cover. As you can see, I got straps on both sides to hold it down. But all in all, I have about $60 invested in a system to keep all my tools, for the most part, dry and organized for those road trips. And if I want to take it out, I just can undo these straps, pull it to the back, take it out, then it's out. Just as easy to put back in, holds everything you need. All right, so we'll go through what I have in here currently. All right, so thread locker, got some screwdrivers and stuff in here, tape measure, some pliers. For some reason, I have a lot of tools, but Stanley, this ratchet right here, I have used it tremendous amounts of times just because it's able to extend. Sometimes you need that extra leverage. And then I like it also because the head, you can actually lock it in position, so it's not like sitting there swiveling around when you're sitting there trying to, you know, put some torque on something. But that's nice. I got another one in here. It's a Pittsburgh. Everybody pretty much has a Harbor Freight around them. Should be able to find that if you're interested. And on this side, I have some pliers. One thing I do recommend, obviously I have a bed cover on this truck, so it doesn't exactly seal 100%. It's a little bit older of a bed cover. If you have a bed cover that don't leak, awesome. But you can see it look like it has some little bit of water intrusion coming in right there, but all in all, still looks good. Some more pliers, breaker bar. Everybody needs jumper cables. Keep gloves. And some of the stuff I'll go in a little bit more depth, what's in here, if you really want to. Inside of here, I got a bunch of wrenches, different types of test stuff. And then down here is just a bunch of random stuff. You know, if I need it, I need it. If I don't, then great. But it's able to keep, like I said, everything in here organized, put together. So even if I need to work on somebody else's stuff, like I can pull this to the back and have generally everything that I would need. Oh, this thing right here, this is a little bit of a, it's a little bit of excess, but I have the Core 4x4 adjustable control arms on the back of this truck, and this is to tighten up the jam nut on those if I need to make any type of adjustments. So you can see it's quite big. But yeah, if you have any questions, like I said, I got everything from Walmart. I'll give you a little bit better view of these D-rings. They just go in right here. Simple. Holds it in there. Haven't had no problems with it moving. It's got the straps up there. Comes in right here. You just get the hardware. Like I said, you can get everything at Walmart. It should put you probably right around that $60 mark. I can put links of everything and do all the totals if people are interested in that, or want to go a little bit further in depth. Just shoot me a message on YouTube and I'll answer all the questions I can. All right, thank you. Hope everybody has a great day.